Microaggressions are typically defined in the context of race as brief and commonplace verbal, behavioral, or environmental indignities, whether they're intentional or unintentional. They communicate hostile, derogatory, or negative slights and insults toward people of color. They are the everyday insults and demeaning messages most commonly sent to people of color, but they can also be directed at other groups. An example of a microaggression might be telling an Asian student what good English they speak or asking them where they were born, despite the fact that they're right here from Texas. Insight is necessary, but not sufficient for change. You'll have to start with some active steps, and the best step to begin with is self-reflection. Ask yourself, and perhaps you might even want to journal or discuss with some trusted peers your answers to the following questions. How culturally responsive and inclusive am I? What stereotypes and misperceptions do I hold? What are the benefits of inclusiveness? And what can I personally do to promote inclusiveness? If you have a favorite professor or club advisor that you feel comfortable talking to, you might even want to share your answers with them. Let's talk about some things you can do to become more culturally responsive and inclusive. First, let's take a look at microaggressions. In a nutshell, you can 1. Remain vigilant of your own biases. Remember, our brains are wired to take these cognitive shortcuts, and it's important to just be mindful of that fact. 2. Validate other people's experiential reality. Even when you make unintentional remarks, be aware that it could be equally offensive, even if you didn't mean it. 3. Just don't be defensive. This is our human condition. We all have stereotypes, we all have biases. So let that fact go and start working on how you can do better. 4. Be open to discussing your own attitudes and biases. And 5. Be an ally. Support those groups that are in the non-dominant culture. Get to know more about them and be supportive.